Hi, I wanted to show you something that I know you already know, but for those ones who don't know, where anytime I feel like I have nausea and anytime I feel like I have hyperacidity and I have a cold or a sore throat, I like preparing Dawa. Dawa is just a mixture of ginger, root, lemon, and honey. So I'm just fixing for one person because my kids actually don't like it. So I thought it is interesting that I show you how to do it if you don't know how to do it. There are people who add passion fruits just to give it an edge, but I like it like that. I like it plain and raw. So we have ginger. You can see the ginger there, and that is what we have there. We have the ginger, and the first thing we need to do is to slice the ginger so that we have to remove the peelings. Before we slice, we have to peel. So there we are peeling the ginger so that we can be able to remove the layer. I don't like pre-washing them. I just store them. Then when I'm making them, I just peel, and there I am peeling the skin off. I love ginger because it has it has a lot of nutritional value, and you can Google that. So I think in a week I take 2 or 3 times, but it's up to you. For me, it works for my nausea. It works for my hyperacidity. Anytime I feel like I have hyperacidity, instead of taking medicine, I use the ginger. The ginger has been peeled. You have to wash the peeled ginger. Just wash it nicely. Remember, we had some soil on it, so you have to clean it very well to make sure that it's very, very clean. Then you need to clean the utensils you are using because there was soap. So give me a minute. I need to fetch something to crush the ginger. So just give me a minute. There I am. And yeah, so we are crushing. We need to cut the ginger into finer pieces, chop the ginger, then we need to grind it. So I'm going to chop the ginger into smaller pieces. And as I'm chopping the ginger, you need to be careful. I'm not using a chopping board. Sometimes I just use my hands like that. But you need to be careful so that the knife does not cut your hand. So we need to grind the ginger. I don't know if that is the right word, but it just basically means make sure it is in small pieces. So my baby is holding my camera and he's helping me make the ginger. He also loves ginger, but I give him very dilute ginger. So you grind it like that. You need to have that, I don't know what it's called for grinding. And it's very nice for grinding your ginger, your other items in the kitchen or ingredients in the kitchen. And there I am pounding and pounding away so that it is in very small pieces, so that when we boil it, it can easily absorb and I can get the best ingredients or nutrients out of the ginger. To make sure that you grind everything, you can get in a spoon, keep turning and keep grinding. It's better that way. If it is bigger chunks, then you don't get the nutritional value you're looking for or the benefits you're looking for. So keep grinding. I remember anytime I have a cold, oh my God, this is what I take until I get well. I keep focusing on this. So there we are. It is ready. Get a spoon, as I have said, scoop out with a spoon, and you can see it's fine. It's very fine, and I keep doing that so that I can continue making sure that I have very small particles. So yeah, then in a second we are putting it into the cup. I have my big cup there, my big mug. My way is putting it in the microwave. There are people who don't like microwave, so you can just put it in a sufuria and put in some drinking water and you boil. So you can put it into a cooking pot and you boil the water with it. But my way, I don't mind the microwave. So just pour in some water. There we are, some drinking clean water. Then yeah, there we are. I don't mind the particles because I chew them as I drink. we add that into ginger. I am putting in the microwave, there we are, and it will take 3.5 minutes, so that around 3.5 minutes, so that it can be well cooked. And remember, this is just me who likes the microwave, so you can decide on what you want. So we give it 3 minutes. So we need to get a cup. I love a thermal cup because it's very hot and I want to drink it hot. So as I continue to drink it, it continues being hot. You get half a lemon per serving, per cup. So I don't have that thing for squeezing lemon, so I use my hands traditionally. So there I am squeezing the lemon. The essence is not to boil the lemon. And I have seen this in hotels. Sometimes you go and you ask them for dawa and they boil it with the lemon and it becomes so bitter that, you know, that taste, that off taste. So just make sure you don't put it inside. But once you've squeezed the lemon, you can throw in the lemon. You can throw it in the hot water. It doesn't make a difference because you didn't boil with it. Then honey. I'll tell you about the story about that honey. We harvested it in my father's farm. We actually have some bees in our rural home. So they just came and settled and we were able to harvest honey. So that is very pure honey with no additives. If you can get that, you're lucky. Then you put a full spoon. For me, I try to regulate the honey. But if you want more, you can do that. If you want less, you can do that. So personally, I just do 1 spoon. So stir, pour and stir. I don't like sieving. There are people who like sieving, but personally I like stirring. And oh my God, the dawa is ready. If you taste, it's good to taste. My baby wants to also taste, but I told you it's very kong for the baby, according to what I think. So I'll give him a diluted version. I've added half a spoon and I'm trying to stir there. And yeah, our dawa is ready. If you have sore throat, this one will really help you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye-bye.